These three are some of the best chicken marinade you can do for your barbecue. The classic tandoori, fresh green masala, the delicious creamy chicken Malai Boti. Hey everyone, welcome back to Lemon Cone. These chicken marinades are simple, packed with flavors and guaranteed to impress. The third one is my absolute favorite, so be sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. We are using boneless chicken thighs today because they're super tender and juicy. Start by cutting the chicken into cubes and then divide them into 3 portions for our 3 marinations. First up is the classic Tandoori chicken boti. In a bowl, take some hung yogurt, that's yogurt with the water strained out, and add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, you can use paprika as well, green chili paste, salt, tandoori masala, chaat masala, lemon juice, fresh coriander, and cooking oil. Mix everything together. Then add the chicken cubes and coat them well. Let it marinate for at least 1 hour. Overnight is even better if you have the time. Our second marinade is Green Masala Chicken Boti. In another bowl, combine green chili paste, fresh coriander and mint paste, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, hung yogurt, garam masala powder, salt, and cooking oil. Mix it up. Add the chicken and make sure it's nicely coated. Again, let it marinate for at least 1 hour. Before we move on to the third marination, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you never miss out our delicious recipes. Now it's time for my favorite chicken Malai Boti. In a bowl, mix hung yogurt, cream, mayonnaise, ginger garlic paste, green chili paste, black pepper powder, salt, roasted and crushed cumin, lemon juice, fresh coriander, and cooking oil. Stir it all together. Add the chicken cubes and give it a good mix. Let this marinate for at least 1 hour. Alright, now that our chicken is marinated, let's get cooking. We are using wooden skewers because we are grilling on grill pan, but if you are cooking on charcoal, feel free to use metal skewers. Start with the tandoori chicken boti, followed by the green masala boti, and finally the chicken malai boti. Heat a grill pan, drizzle some oil, and place the marinated chicken skewers in it. Fry them on medium to high flame to seal in all the juices. Then cover and cook on medium heat until the chicken is tender. If you want that authentic barbecue texture, you can cook the skewers directly on the flame to get those beautiful char marks. You can also give the chicken a charcoal smoke before marination for an extra smoky flavor. The choice is yours. And there you have it, our 3 different barbecue chicken boti platter. Serve them with garlic naan, sliced onion, and raita for a complete meal. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to leave your feedback in the comments below. Now let's taste this. Grab a piece of naan, take a bite of my favorite Malai Boti, add some onion, dip it in raita, and delicious! The creaminess, the spice, the freshness, it's all there. You have got to try this. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling.